My name is James DuBois. I'm a member of Omega Psi Phi Fraternity Incorporated, the Palm Springs Tau New chapter. So we're here today having our inaugural bowling event in partnership with Communities for Children. And so the event is real successful. Appreciate the sponsors and everybody coming out to celebrate and contribute back to the community.
My name is Rodney Anderson. I am the boss's president of the Tau New chapter of the Omega Psi Phi Fraternity Incorporated, Palm Springs. We support community, so whatever community is in need, that's where we are in our service. So our watchword is service. Our activity is service. Wherever there's a need for service, if you contact us, we're there. I enjoyed myself and I enjoyed having you all, and I want to thank you on behalf of the fraternity. Internationally, we thank you for your support.